Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma and today we are going to start chapter number 6, Safety in Sports. Accident can occur to anyone at any place, thus they can also occur during sports activities. Accident usually cause injuries and affect the health of individual if proper medical care is not provided. Injury is damage caused to any part of body internally or externally. The injury which are suffered by sportsmen during training or competition of games are known as sports injuries. Sports medicine is the branch of medicine which deals with first aid, treatment, curing, prevention, diagnosis and rehabilitation of injuries caused in sports. Sports medicine gives us knowledge about curative and preventive aspects of sports injuries. Concept of sports medicine. Sports medicine is also known as exercise medicine. It is a branch of medicine that deals with the treatment and prevention of injuries related to the sports. Sports medicine specialized in preventing, diagnosing, and treatment of injuries related to participation in sports and games. Sports medicine has always been difficult to define because it is not a single specialty. Its functioning is not only curative and preventive but also rehabilitative. The primary focus of sports medicine is rapid and full recovery of patient from injuries. Here we have definitions also. According to Webster's College Dictionary, it is a branch of medicine concerned with athletic conditioning and nutrition and treatment, prevention of athletics injuries, and improvement of athletic performance. Aims of sports medicines: number 1, to cure and treat sports injuries; 2, to diagnose and detect the cause of injuries; correcting musculoskeletal causes. Musculoskeletal causes, here the injuries related with bones, joints, muscles, tendons, ligaments, and nerves. When the patient, when any athlete caused this type of problems, the here in the sports medicine it provides the full recovery, what to gives, how to improve, what are the rehabilitative exercise, how the sports person and patient very fast come out from this related injuries. Everything will be provided by the sports medicine to promote preventive aspects in sports. Preventive aspects means when the sports person get injured, the guidelines given to the sports person and what will be the causes of the sports injuries and how it did happens, all the information provided to the sports person, and sports person aware all such problems, and next time he will take a proper intention and there is minimum chances of sports injuries. To provide Rehabilitation means there is a center where the all injured person, different types of injuries and different types of treatments given to the sports person after 1 week, after 10 days, according to the degree of the injuries. It is major or maybe it is minor. And after rehabilitation, the sports person come out and he feels good, and again he come back to his game. To guide and counseling, it also provide guidance and counseling to injured player, thus the promote psychological behavior. Next we have the causes of sports injuries. How the sports person get injured, what are the causes of sports injuries? Here we are going to see the few causes. Number one, lack of fitness. If the player is not fit and continuously he plays, and definitely he is going to have any type of injuries, means the level of fitness will improve first. Poor concentration, over stress or tension, not performing warming up. Sometimes it happens without warming up, player enter the sports field and start playing. Afterward, what happen? Muscle pull, strain, sprain, these types of problems it may happens with the sports person. So performing warming up is very essential. Equipment failure, not standard equipment when the sports person not wearing, and there is chances of injuries. Faculty skill action, not following rules, aggression or violence, poor play field, not considering safety means, not wearing protective guards means helmet, thigh pad, abdomen guard. If the player is not wearing during practice or competition, and there is maximum chances to have injuries. Wrong training methods, wrong treatment of injuries. These are the few causes how to player get injured. Next we have the classification of sports injuries. This we will cover in my second video. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.